My. And the oneisall clippers. This is the longest attachment on my mini Bernedoodle. And they seriously do a great job. I've already done this much. And they go through him. Fantastic.
Plugged in. As you can see, it's plugged in. Right now it's got half battery, as explained in my email. I'm gonna plug it in to the power outlet, and there's no indication of a charge. When I turn it on, it's still half battery. No indication of a charge at all. Nowhere. Nammy, are you still taking pictures?
No, I'm making a video.
No, stop.
Okay.
Just look, Grace. Good girl.
This is the apple.